What if I told you there are people who spend their entire life building success only to collapse the moment they stop? Not because they failed, not because they lost everything, but because they never found themselves. This isn't motivation, this is a physiological warning, and it comes from Carl Jung. There was a man who did everything right. He built a business from nothing, created a life most people only dream about: money, respect, family, stability. For 40 years, he showed up every single day, reliable, disciplined, focused. People admired him. They point to him as an example of success. He became exactly what the world needed him to be, and then he retired. Within 90 days, he was barely functioning. Let that sink in. 90 days. Not because of illness, not because of loss, but because no one needed him anymore. And when the rule disappeared, there was nothing behind it. Carl Jung had a name for this. He called it the persona, the version of you that the world sees, the mask you wear to survive. From childhood, you start building it. You learn what gets approval, what gets love, what gets rejected. So you adjust. You shape yourself. Maybe you learned don't show weakness. Be strong no matter what. Be successful to be respected. Be funny so people stay. And slowly, you create a version of yourself that fits. And here's the truth: that mask is necessary. You need it. You can't act the same everywhere. Life requires rules. But here's where people go wrong. They forget it's a mask. They start believing the performance is who they are, and anything that doesn't match that identity gets pushed down, ignored, hidden. But it doesn't disappear, it goes deeper into what Jung called the unconscious. And this is where most people lose control because the unconscious is not quiet, it's active. It shapes how you feel, how you react, how you see the world, even when you don't realize it. Emotional build. Ever felt a reaction that was too strong? Getting angry over something small, feeling empty even when everything looks fine, being tricked by people for no clear reasons. That's not random. That's what you've been ignoring trying to speak. Explosion moment. And if you ignore it long enough, it doesn't stay quiet. It builds pressure until one day it breaks through. An anxiety, depression, burnout, or a complete identity crisis. Jung noticed a pattern: when something is suppressed for too long, it comes back stronger. What you avoid controls you, what you ignore grows in the dark. Projection shift, and here's where it gets uncomfortable. The parts of yourself you don't accept, you start seeing in others. The person who denies their own flaws becomes obsessed with judging others. The person who buries their desires starts criticizing people who express them. This is called projection, and it means something important. You are not seeing reality clearly, you are seeing yourself reflected. Deep message. That's why focusing on yourself is not selfish. It's necessary because if you don't understand yourself, you will misunderstand everyone else. Jung also explained something most people get wrong. Introverts and extroverts are not just about being quiet or social. It's about where your energy goes. Some people live outward. They need validation, attention, feedback. When that disappears, they feel empty. Others live inward. They overthink, they isolate, they disconnect from reality. Both are incomplete because real balance comes from developing both sides. Return to story. That man who collapsed, his entire life was built outward. Achievement, work, status, but inside, nothing, no inner world, no self beyond the rule. So when the world stopped asking for his performance, he had nothing left to stand on. Power line. He didn't lose his life. He realized he never built one side. Solution. So what's the answer? Not isolation, not ignoring the world, and not pretending you don't care what others think. The real answer is balance. Use the mask, but don't become it. Listen to the world, but don't lose your voice in it. Pay attention to your inner life. Your thoughts, your emotions, your reactions, they are signals, not problems. Individuations. Jung called this process individuations, becoming who you actually are, not who you were told to be, not who gets approval, but who you are without the mask. Reality check, and yes, this process is uncomfortable. You will question yourself, you will feel lost at times, you will face parts of yourself you've been avoiding for years. But that discomfort, that's growth, because a life built only on the outside will eventually collapse. Final impact. So, before you chase success, before you try to impress the world, take a moment and ask yourself one question: who am I when no one is watching? Because at the end of the day, the world doesn't need another perfect performance, it needs someone real. And that only happens when you stop running from yourself and finally turn inward. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.